So do you believe that all the best ideas come from the C-suite? If you don't have shared leadership in your organization, chances are everybody's waiting to see what happens at the top level. If nothing happens there, then they're not going to take action on their own. An empowered organization believes that there's shared leadership throughout the entire organization. They make sure that they've created an environment where people can act where they're at. They take control of the decisions they need to make, and they solve problems when and where they happen. That leadership can take your organization to a whole new level. The challenge that you might have, though, is do those leaders understand where their challenges are, where their strengths are? Have you evaluated them to understand how you can best help them be the best leader that they could possibly be? If you haven't taken the time to evaluate that, the chances are that they might not have accomplished everything they can. And if there are some challenges with some of the groups that they interact with, whether it's their direct reports, their peers, or who they report to, you may find yourself spending time on performance management rather than leadership development. If you want to be empowered and you want to be high performing, you want to spend your time on empowerment, not performance management.